Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and a yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, it's obviously a good look for the Yami Bolo trending. First and foremost, this we don't really matter if the song is trending, as long as the song is being streamed, purchased, and makes its way to relevant charts across the world. With that being said, use the VPN to stream the songs on all major platforms. Make sure it's on the purchase and do enough for the way some people say them want another album from Vybz Kartel. There will be no other album from a teacher right now until we address this matter. Now, the YouTube algorithm, viewers and subscribers, we have to talk about the YouTube algorithm. First and foremost, notice this. Views are being subtracted from the official view count of the Yami Bolo music video. We have seen this. We have seen views being removed from Vybz Kartel's overall lifetime view on his Viva page without any content being removed by the admin themselves. Wagwan, a clear sabotage is taking place. Now people are saying the song a trend now and well deserved, but they must say maybe all is well. We did page them though. Whole heap of messages were sent to the YouTube platform and we asked them what take place with, you know what I mean? These tracks in particular and what is taking place with the word Vybz Kartel within itself. Them not answer back. We realize that some of the views are being now added back to the music video. Some people are saying because the algorithm tried to verify if there were actual accounts that were viewing this music video. But one of the other people may use them videos as ads all across the internet. Why isn't the algorithm checking out the views from those videos? We don't know. Also, we're going to talk about this. We have a statement being made. So watch now. Bolt. Usian Bolt. Sir Bolt, a Gaza youth. I'm not going to just jump and say, boy, Bolt do that. But the allegations are that Bolt has received payment to promote, yes, to promote the receival of chips to prevent the outbreak that is currently taking place. Now my question to you, viewers and subscribers. Rivers, beaches, and certain public gatherings were banned. So why was there a campaign trail for both parties? Me no responsible on a mask. Why was there a campaign in which people are gathered together? That should have been banned. And after them do it for a number of days, then them say them are going to suspend it. How coincidental? How coincidental? Crazy players are at play. I don't see what I want. I don't know if I see what I want. Very exciting moment in a dancehall. Over the weekend, we see singing, Vybz Kartel, Jayden Kingdom, Protege, and Coffee featured on the Protege album too, and Lila. All dropping projects. Protege and Singing that Taurus Riley dropped an album. Good look. You know what I mean? Vybz Kartel representing for the dancehall genre alongside Jayden Kingdom. Another lazy artist put out a music video for a song we record months ago again. Keeping true to them style. I don't know if it work for them and for them fans, but I was not impressed. But the ladies them definitely put out them all in the music video and big up the video vixens who were a part of that music video. Them have to get them kind. You know, and true, I don't think but them show up. I just true they were booked and them show up. So big them up. But Jayden Kingdom and Vybz Kartel definitely represented for the dancehall genre. Jayden Kingdom song was a kind of fusion track. I feel like it will get more attention internationally. But I really feel like the local audience are going to gravitate to this as much as our international audiences, especially places like England, Europe, are going to gravitate to our sound Our sound is very European. Authentic Jamaican, but still European, somewhat. You know what I mean? So people are gravitate to that at that part of the country. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel's track, we are keeping tune with the reasoning. As we say, people are asking for new albums. Yeah, people are saying they want another album. The teachers already giving the fans 2 albums before the middle of the year. And you say the fans, hey, the fans are in serious, them still want more music. So I wonder how them tolerate some other artists. How the fans tolerate some other artists that put out songs once a month, once every 6 months. And I ask Vybz Kartel for continuous albums. Well, some would have say fans of Vybz Kartel know this. First and foremost, the work ethic is impeccable. So even though you hear 1 song released today, there were 5 songs or 4 songs mixed and mastered. But the releases of these tracks are strategic. Make sure so when I stream and purchase Little Vybz, stack in the cheddar and do it daily. Money have to make you know him can't move lazy. And look at the track out too. Make sure so now stream and purchase these tracks. In fact, dancehall music is at a crossroad at this point in time. With international attention is no longer at the point where they might wonder if dancehall are the next big thing. They know this. What they might look at is the support for dancehall by homegrown fans. Remember, what people like, it is called an experiment. Simple as that. It is called an experiment. When an artist is signed to a record label, before him release an album, them normally make him drop either an EP, which is an extended play, or a mixtape. Now the aim and the purpose for this is to run the experiment to see how fans would gravitate to your music. The EP and the mixtape is normally geared to your already known fan base. Say them like them type of song from you, on an extended play, we're gonna add that track. We might add a feature to the track and add some other tracks to the EP. If I the mixtape, we might just put your song them, your vocals, and all the different rhythm them will dominate the sound right now. So that people can see your talent and realize, oh, you know, them can do it with the best of them. Vybz Kartel do this. Not for a record label doing it. Just to showcase his talent. That's something that Vybz Kartel is a true visionary. Even while not signed to a record label at that point in time, the teacher still performed and functioned as if he were signed to a record label. And the teacher dropped album from the early stages of his career, just to point that out. Up to the time was an album, not a mixtape. Yeah, you know the cover art, end up on the bicycle, and the whole youth them running him in the jersey. That wasn't a mixtape. That was an album. You know what I mean? So, and if you never check it out, I suggest you check it out, because some classic Vybz Kartel tracks there on the album. There's some classic jersey, baseball cap and what in my closet. You know the rest. Now, viewers and subscribers, as I'm saying, what they say about Bolt, very shocking. You know what I mean? Sir Bolt. I can't say I wouldn't do it. Can't say it. Because remember, how certain information is presented to you. Being a person who is Bolt already used to be an ambassador. So all him can do is did receive payment for say a statement or, you know what I mean? Say something. And with just that being said, then the powers that be can spin the rest. So when I go say him directly, no say that. And I sign into it and I say, alright, this is what I do it and we are never going to do this and, you know what I mean? We're going to make the people get this chip and, no, I don't necessarily think that's what going on. But I think Bolt was manipulated by the powers that be. Yeah, use them and use Bolt like how them use many other ghetto youth. You know what I mean? And when them, you know what, when them use ghetto youth and don't ghetto youth, them dash them. So, I'm not going to necessarily say Bolt sell out the country. I'm going to say Bolt is another youth being used. I'm not know for the money, because at this point in time, years now, Bolt no need money. Years now. But you know it go. Those with money will always be seeking more money. Because recently we hear them say I leave the island to conduct business. That sound like it was a money move. You know what I mean? So even though Bolt is not pressed for cash, him still put in the work. You must have a young youth, you know. You have a baby on the way. And that's why I say, yo, why would Bolt be advocating for a situation like this? You know, say female youth will have to have it too. A food for thought. A definitely food for thought, that. Because where am I going to live with the youth? Where am I going to live? But I said the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, I say I'm reminding them now. If you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Yeah man, now move settings fam, and we don't need no ladder. My sentiments for you and girls, of course, wanna live, love and prosper. Comment section is always open. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there. The like icon and the share icon are both in close proximity. Yes, both in close proximity to each other. So drop a like and share the vlog same time. You know the settings, and for those who don't, our up move settings, I wanna need no ladder.